Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Now we are going to discuss about the project bird species classification using deep learning and image processing. Now we are going to discuss about the abstract of the process. There are a lot of living species of birds in the world with different type of characters and appearances also. Bird species recognition is also considered to be an interesting hobby by human beings in the natural environment. The human knowledge over the species is not enough to identify a species of bird accurately. Hence, we developed the process based on the bird species recognition systems. By considering the above points, we are going to develop a process based on the deep neural networks algorithm, which is automatically identify the bird species given in the dataset images. The model was giving the two types of training and testing for the dataset images, which shows the promising accuracies and sensitivities. By using this two accuracy and sensitivity, we can justify our process is efficient or not. The process includes the steps like the feature extraction, classification and performance estimations, and finally the final stage of the process, which gives the performance of the process, which justify our process is more accurate. Now we are going to discuss about the flow diagram of the process. This is the overall execution of the process. Actually, these are the modules we have done in this process: the image acquisition, pre-processing, feature extraction, data splitting, classification, and finally performance measures. At first, the first stage of the process is the image acquisition. In this image acquisition, the image will be getting from the dataset. After getting the image from the dataset, we just move on to the second stage of the project, that is the pre-processing. In this pre-processing, actually we have two kinds of pre-processing is there. One is the image resize, then the another one is the image noise removal. The majorly we have considered as an noise removal, hence the noisy image will be neglected from this step. Hence, if the input image having any noisy pixels means it will be removed, and then the other pixels will be remains the same. After the noise removal, we just move on to the third stage of the project, that is the feature extraction. In this feature extraction, we have two kinds of feature extraction algorithm, that is the HOG and LBP. HOG will be abbreviated as an histogram of oriented gradient. Then the LBP will be abbreviated as an local binary patterns. The HOG feature is used to extract the color based features. Then the LBP feature is used to extract the pattern based features. After extracting these two features from the image, then we just move on to the fourth stage of the project, that is the data splitting. In this data splitting, the CNN is used to split the data into two categories, that is the testing data and then the training data. After the splitting of the testing and training data, we just move on to the classification. In this classification step, we are using the k nearest neighbor, that is the KNN classification, to classify whether which kind of bird species is there. So in this classification step, the final output will be the name of the bird. After that, the final stage of the process is the performance estimation. In this performance estimation, we have two kinds of performance, that is the accuracy and recall. By using this accuracy and recall, we can justify our process is efficient or not. Now we are going to discuss about the execution of the process. At first, open the Python Spider 3.7. After that, you have to change the current directory. Then you have to click this button, run button. After clicking the run button, one dataset folder will be open. In that dataset folder, you can select any image from the dataset. After that, you just click the button open. Now after the selection of the image from the tkinter, now the process will be done automatically. Now I will explain the overall concept of the process one by one. Now this is the original image which we have taken as an input from the dataset. After getting the input from the dataset, we just move on to the pre-processing. In this pre-processing, first of all, the channel separation will be there. This is the color channel of the red image, that is the first band, red band of the image. After that, the green channel image segmentations will be there. In this, only the green channel pixels will be extracted. Then after that, the color channel like blue color channel will be estimated by using this image. After seeing this results, the grayscale conversion will be shown like this. After the conversion of the grayscale, the HOG features will be extracted from the image. First of all, the HOG image will be generated like this. HOG in the sense histogram of oriented gradients. That image will be generated like this. After that, the corresponding features will be generated, that is called the test features. Now this values indicates the test feature values. After generating the test features, we are going to apply the deep learning techniques. This is the convolutional neural network layers. After applying this layers, we just move on to the prediction stage. In this prediction stage, the types of bird will be displayed. The name of the bird will be displayed like this. Then after the prediction, the confusion matrix will be plotted like this. Then we have to estimate the accuracy, precision and recall. The value of the accuracy, precision and recall should be shown in the percentage. It will be calculated based on the formula of true positive, true negative, false positive and false negative. Finally, the C1 of confusion matrix will be shown like this. Thanks for watching this video.